Our target is use geometric formulas to find area, perimeter, and volume. For a square or a rectangle, the formula for area is length times width. The formula for perimeter is 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. An example is find the area and perimeter of a rectangle when the length equals 9 and the width equals 5. For area, remember our formula is length times width, so we have 9 times 5. This equals 45 centimeters squared. Area will always be units squared. For the perimeter, we have 2 times the length, which is 9, plus 2 times the width, which is 5. Using order of operations, we get 28 centimeters. For a triangle, the formula for area is 1/2 base times height, or you could say base times height over 2, or 0.5 times base times height. An example is find the area of a triangle when the base equals 12 and the height equals 4. Remember the formula for area is base times height divided by 2. So we know the base is 12 times the height is 4, all of that divided by 2. Again, using order of operations, we get 24 units squared. For a circle, the formula for area is pi times the radius squared. For our examples, we'll just say pi equals 3.14. And the circumference is 2 pi times the radius. An example is find the area and circumference of a circle when the radius equals 3 inches. So for our area formula, we have pi times the radius, which is 3, squared. This gives us 28.26. For our circumference, remember the formula is 2 pi times radius, so we have 2 pi times 3, this gives us 18.84. For a rectangular prism or a cube, the formula for volume is length times width times height, and the formula for surface area is 2 times the length times width plus the width times the height plus the height times the length. An example of this is find the volume and surface area of a rectangular prism when the length equals 5, the width equals 4, and the height equals 3. So for our volume formula, we know it's length times width times height, so we have 5 times 4 times 3. This gives us 60 units cubed. Now volume will always be units cubed, whereas area was units squared. So for the surface area, we have our very long formula. Plugging in our length as 5, our width as 4, and our height as 3, we get 94 units squared. Remember to use the order of operations to solve this problem. To sum up all of the formulas we've gone over today, here they are.